In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the screen turn off or timeout on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on system. Scroll down and click on power and battery. And here you'll find screen sleep and hibernate timeouts. Click on that. And here you have plugged in and on battery. So just simply click on the drop down and you have here turn my screen off after. Just simply choose from the list of options right here. Like you could have 15 minutes, 3 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, or you can also click never. Also for make my device hibernate after, you can simply choose that if you want to. But for on battery, turn my screen off after, then just simply choose any of the options. But I recommend that make my device hibernate after, just simply make this to never. You just have to simply change these settings for turn my screen off after, turn my screen off after, plugged in and on battery. Then you can simply click on the drop down and choose the time preference that you want. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.